Well, yes, I agree that this warrant an investigation or probe by the Congress. One crucial matter, no, to look into is that is the technology. Now, we know as technology advances, nagiging creative din ito pong mga illegal drug dealers natin, no. So, in the in a way not to be identified or hindi po sila makikita agad, pinapasok nila sa vape in making it appear that this is just a usual e-cigarette. So, this should serve as a reminder, no, to everyone, especially to the youth, to the students, that the use of marijuana is still illegal. Although there are talks to amend the RA 9165 or the Dangerous Drugs Act as amended, wherein there are talks to legalize the use of marijuana for medical purposes. But then again, another issue which is to be considered is also the law enforcement agencies. We should always be one step ahead against these drug dealers in our fight against illegal drugs. Thank you.
Illegal po yan. Illegal po ang marijuana. Illegal po yung paggamit ng marijuana sa Pilipinas. So dapat po huliin lahat ng mga nagdi-distribute saka ma-penalize po yung mga tao behind that. Even in Singapore, the country even goes as far as yung bansa, dinidemanda po yung mga kumpanya na nagdi-distribute po ng ganyan. So I think with the investigation being referred to Congress as well, baka we can explore things like that para po yung mga kumpanyang yan, kung ginagamit man sila para mag-create ng mas modern ways of dealing with drugs, dapat po na masampulan na talaga yung mga yan.